Talofa. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's mukbang is about New Zealand donuts made in Australia. Anyways, this donut is made at this place called the Kai Drop in St Mary's, New South Wales in Australia, made by Maoris, but they're New Zealand donuts eaten by a Samoan. Okay, so that's the mukbang for today, and my cup of tea is Milo. My cup of tea is Milo. No, it's Milo, and some people call it hot chocolate, but it's Milo. Wait, shh. I'll turn it this way. This way is tools like the bike and stuff like that. Forget about the other side, guys, because I was supposed to have it on the left. My cup of tea, but anyway, guys, I'm gonna start to enjoy this. There you go, look at that, beautiful. When my daughter knew I was gonna do the donut, she goes, "Oh, you're gonna be going, no." Well, how am I gonna buy it if I don't do that? Anyway, I'm gonna try and eat all this free. I think my daughter was right. This was made this morning. You know why I know? I was standing there while they were making it. See, look. Spin back up. And they're lovely. Not too sweet, so it's good because I don't want any diabetics. They look. Okay, a bit of swap donut hand. I should have some music playing in the background now. My jam. I'm getting a whole lot of requests from people to eat certain food. And sometimes I do want to make it, but then I can't find their comments so I can, shut them out. If that's what you call it. Shut them out, eh? Oh yeah, talking about shouting out. This is Mary and Tongan, half Mary, half Tongan guy named Rob Nye. He's on YouTube, and I said to him that I was going to shout him out on my next video. So, Rob Nye, keep it up, brother. And thank you also for subscribing to me. I appreciate that because, you know, as Polly and anyone actually show love, I'll just subscribe to anyone. I don't care what nationality you are. If you're on YouTube and you want me to subscribe, I'll come and subscribe. You know, it's all about showing the love on YouTube. That's so nice, man. See, in New Zealand, you get a whole lot of this kind of donut. You don't get it much here in Australia, but the Kiwis, Polynesian people, and there's even one Barangi shop up not far from here. They're getting into it too, and it sounds really, really good. So whoever's making these out there, good on you guys, because you guys are, you know, like providing the food that we love to eat. And not only that, well, in my case, this better be the last mukbang of this, because I do not want to get like, you know, not that I'm getting really, really old, just old, okay? Anyway, getting back to my donut. Oh, anyway, today to ask me to make certain things, I'm going to do it. What I've done, I've gone through my YouTubes and I've looked up the people that's requested certain food. And what I've done, I've taken note of everyone. So when I do their certain food, I'm going to mention that it was that person that said it. There's some food that like 2 or 3 people have asked for the same thing, so why I haven't gone and done it yet, I don't know. And anyway, this was the fastest things I can do today, this donut food. So, still food, guys. My granddaughter, when she was when I did a mukbang with her, we had island food, poly food, and she done good. I told her she done good. And then she started smiling. My poor baby. So Savannah, thank you, my love. I love you. See, when my granddaughter raised by a good grandma, yeah, she just gotta listen, okay? That's grandma's rule. Salmon style. Thì vậy là pha vậy vậy để anh ở cùng á thì mày là các bạn mà ai vậy ngay đi ai đi đua ai đi pha vậy vậy wait did you see that? Ooh, magic. You know what else is magic, guys? This. Ta-da! The other donut gone. Cheers, guys. No, God. Man, I thought I was gonna eat this out like nothing. Oh my God, it's just dangerous. See? Yeah. Yeah. That man on the cup. Okay. Now guys, I want to tell you about. That's enough where you are. I saved this one for My son Noah, he may have wake up, Mum, what's for breakfast? I say, I got a donut. Young Ali. You know why? Because I'm not happy that he didn't come and do his job when I told him to do. He was tidying up his rubbish. He just go and play that game. Fortnite. Fortnite this, Fortnite that, over the fortnight. I only for today. Yep. Okay, guys, look. You guys take care out there, okay? Look at the light. This little light of mine. Yeah. No, it's just to help brighten up this room, guys, because it's a bit dark in here. Yeah, okay. Take care. Take care wherever you are in the world. India, Japan, Hawaii, New Zealand, Australia, Cook Island, yoo-hoo! And Tokelau. I got a few Tokelau's on my channel. I was going to say Facebook. Sorry. Anyway, Tongan. Oh yeah, that's for Rob Nye. Rob Nye, bro, keep up the good work. I want to see you do well. Okay, because that's all about supporting one another, being happy for one another, and not hating one another. Because let's do it, guys. Us poly people and everyone else need to do well. Okay, go strive in the world to do well. Wailoa. Don't be angry. And you know, well, I should talk. I'm gonna tell myself that first. Okay, no. Shh. Okay. See you later, guys. Thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate it. I've been seeing a lot of people subscribing, and I think, Faye, thank you very much. And if I know who you are subscribing, if it comes up on my news feed, I will surely come and subscribe. And I appreciate it. Okay, don't think I don't appreciate it, because I really do. And whawhitai for, you know, maka mai, and haere mai, and ki te pai, and other things like that. You know, those, sisi amiko. Yeah, whasoi fua. I love you guys. Samoans first, and everyone else after. Wait, what? Yeah, no, thank you. Oh yeah, someone said that I don't do my prayers before I eat. I do. You guys have no idea, because you know what they say. You have a word with God. It doesn't even have to be, you know, out verbally. You can just sit there and thank God in your mind, and He can hear me. Exactly. Thank you very much. But anyway, he's right, that person that said it. So not that I'm saying he's wrong. So don't forget, thank God every day. Every day, appreciate that. He's given us the life that we live. May it be rich, may it be poor. You do the most of what you got, and God will help you, because He can hear. Okay? Okay, take care. And adios amigos. Bye.